In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete chats on Telegram on your PC quickly and easily. Whether you want to clean up your sidebar, remove old conversations, or just keep your Telegram organized, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the exact process. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Telegram on your PC. You can use the desktop app or the web version, but for this tutorial, I'm focusing on the desktop experience because it's the easiest way to manage your chats. Once Telegram opens, look at the left sidebar where all your conversations are listed. This is where you'll find the chat you want to remove. Now, scroll through the list and find the conversation you want to delete. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct chat because once you confirm the deletion, that conversation will be removed from your view and possibly from the other person's view as well, depending on the option you choose. After you've located the chat, right-click on the chat name. A menu will appear with several options. From that menu, click Delete or Delete Chat. The wording may vary slightly depending on your version of Telegram, but the option you need will be clearly labeled. Once you click Delete, Telegram may show you a confirmation window. This is an important step because it gives you one last chance to review your choice before the chat is removed. If you see an option to also delete the chat for the other person, you can check that box if you want the conversation removed on both sides. Keep in mind that this option may not always be available depending on the type of chat and Telegram's current settings. After selecting the option you want, click Delete to confirm. Telegram will then remove the chat from your list if it's a personal conversation and the Delete for Everyone option is available. The message history may also be removed from the other person's side. If it's just a local deletion, it will mainly clean up your own Telegram interface. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a chat on Telegram using your PC. It's a fast and simple way to keep your inbox tidy and get rid of conversations you no longer need. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.